Anybody want to tell me how many miles per tank I can get? Muddy dirt. So I just put in, I forget, almost $10 worth of gas. Just so you know, the gas tank on this thing is flawless inside. It looks brand new. Doesn't happen very often on these old bikes, especially those that sat outside for who knows how long. Everything seems to be working except for that low fuel light, which I think might actually be disconnected, or the thermistor doesn't work in the secondary tank there. That's always a possibility. But so far, this is the longest I've ever ridden her. If you remember previous videos, the brakes locked up on one ride. Before that, I think I took it around the neighborhood, which wasn't a big deal. Before that, I'm not sure. So, rebuilt the front brakes, cleaned and serviced. Ah, those aren't connected. Have to remember to connect those. Trying to think of what those do. It's connected to the front brake. Oh, that's my rear brake light. Oh, yeah, that needs connected. Bad maintenance guy. I think we have a horn. Yep, we have a horn. Oh, okay. Good old Lancaster County. Got to deal with cows on the road, tractors on the road. Hey, I feel bad that my rear brake light's not connected. That's not good for anyone, me or the people behind me. Not sure I can do this while I'm riding. Not sure I should do this while I'm riding. Nah, I can pull over. I'm sure the rear brake light on the foot still works, so just make sure I use both of them. I'm mostly sure of that. Guys, do your due diligence and check all your lights before you go. Tire pressures. This is a shaft drive, so I don't have to check my chain. But if I did, I would. I thought I had done my checks on this the last time I rode it, but apparently not. Or I've done maintenance since the last time I rode it, and that's probably true. I noticed I have two different rear mirrors. This is probably off of a different motorcycle. You know what? It's off of the other 83 Honda Shadow. That is why I never got it all hooked up. Muy bien. Oh, this is a slow go. I didn't expect to have traffic. They're not too intent on letting me pass either. A lot of times I'll just hang back, let them do their thing. When I refueled, I did reset the travel. So now, I don't know, when I get to 125, maybe 150, I'll refuel. and I didn't have a choice to get non-ethanol gas, so we're running regular corn. Okay, they're off the road. Alright, that was nice of them. Now we can fly. I guess they just expected me to go around them, but I'm not that kind of guy. Sometimes. Alright, now we go down a hill. We can go up a hill. There, let's open her up. I will say, she's not a V4. Ah, another car. So she's not a V4, she's not a Magna, she's not a Sabre. She's a Honda Shadow with a lot to say. So you can definitely have fun on a bike like this. It's a little bit small for some longer-legged riders, but hey, I know some of them that have fun too. I don't think this guy's gonna let me pass. Just sit up straight, love the ride, just enjoy it, relax. Okay. She likes to move. And we're off. That was an explosion back there. Yeah. I don't come this way very often, so didn't get to see the explosion yet. Alright, well, takes a little bit to get used to this bike after a while, but she's fun to go. Fun to go, good to go. Whoa! Caught me off guard there. She wanted to move. Good for you, little Shadow. Guys, I'll catch you on the next one. Who knows what we'll be riding next? Who knows? I don't know. Bah. Well, I'll give you this one yet. It's kind of a fun little road. Hey, doesn't she sound good? Here we go. Be careful. Fun little turn up here. Take it wide. Just a long... I don't know, she sounds like a little peppy 500. That's what it's all about, guys. get out and have some fun. I'll see you on the next one.